Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is LOVELIJA here with another video. Today we're going to be creating this beautiful teal look, under the ocean look. Like, look, I'm going under the sea, under the sea. So if you want to see how I created this look, stay tuned. Just go ahead and make sure you subscribe to my channel already. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up because you already know, based on what you're looking at now, that you're already going to like this video. So go ahead and give it a thumbs up and I will see you in the video. Okay, so I already have my eyes primed, so I'm just going to go ahead and get into a transition shade. Going into my dose of colors, I'm taking Churro and placing that in my crease. I always want to build when I'm doing my crease. I don't know, I'm just really into that now. So let's see. This is a shade Mocha. And also put that in my crease. I'm going to take my Real Technique Sacred Blender brush, which is dirty, it needs to be cleaned. That I'm going to, what shade was I going to take? I'm going to take this shade right here and also add that in the crease. I know it may seem a little backwards, but it's all working out here, okay? Okay, so now that we have like basically the transition and all that done, I'm really trying to figure out, because I really wanted this look to be green. Like, I want to do green with this look, but I'm kind of scared because I don't have that many green eyeshadows. I have this dark green right here. It looks, yeah, it's called Emerald. And I have this like tealish color right here. So I'm really not sure what I want to do. I may just do like the teal. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna take this teal color right here in a 35D palette by Morphe and just gently tap it on. And just blend it out as I go. It's not going on as like strong, it's going on a little patchy. I'm just putting it all over the lid. Let me blend that out. Add more though. To take this teal glitter shade right here, shimmer, glitter, whatever, and just lay that on top, just because I think it would be so pretty on top. Ooh. It doesn't have to be perfect, it's not like a cut crease. Let me do my other eye really quick. Okay, so I did my other eye off camera and I really love how this looks like, I don't know, like a mermaid or something. So I'm just gonna do my full face off camera. I know I should have just went ahead and did it, but I just want to show you both the eyes together before I do that makeup. Only reason why I'm doing my makeup like off camera just because I have a whole video that I'm going to leave a link down below of my full everyday makeup routine. Like I use the same products, and I'm also going to make a video showing why I use these products and just describing why I love these products and why I continue to use them after this long period of time, because I really don't switch up too much on my products. So stay tuned for that, and I will be right back with my makeup done. Alright, so I did the rest of my makeup off camera, and as you can see, both my eyes are done. Well, not completely. So we're going to finish the eye look. We're going to do the under eye. I thought I wanted to do a wing, but I kind of don't want to do a wing anymore. So let's just finish off the under eye. To finish off the under eye, I'm going to take this shade right here and put that underneath the waterline. And to blend that out, I'm going to take Churro right here. Ooh, I love this teal look so much. Like, it's literally so pretty. I feel like you can wear this really anywhere, to be honest. Like, it's not too much going on, but at the same time, it's giving you life. Let's add some highlight. No, I'm not going to use L'Oreal today. I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora palette. I'm going to use the shade Lyra right here. This is pretty, like, I don't know how to describe it. It's so pretty. It's like kind of pinky, to be honest. I don't know if you want that, but it's looking cute. This is cute. Okay, so I'm going to take this angle brush and just take some of that and put it on my brow bone. I usually don't do brow bone highlight, but I'm starting to like it. I'm about to put on some mascara. Alright, so I have a mascara, and I am loving this mascara. Like, it looks like Flossie's, and it's a Superhero It Cosmetics mascara. So I may have to buy this full-size mascara. Thinking about doing a nude lip, so that's probably what we're going to end up doing, is a nude lip. So I'm going to be using the Ruby Kisses lip liner in brown and the Tarte Cosmetics, and this is in Birthday Suit. I just wanted to add a little bit more because that Birthday Suit is just really nude. Alright, so this is the finished look. I'm loving the looks that I'm putting out lately. Like, the looks that I've been putting out really have been like bringing it to the table, like to the table. But this is really cute. I really enjoyed filming this video. Yeah, I really am testing my limits when it comes to, you know, pushing the envelope. But I don't really ever go outside my comfort zone, so I'm really like pushing myself to try different looks doing this whole video miss thing. So, you know, I really appreciate you guys giving me the artistic freedom to do what I want to do and, you know, support. So I just love you guys for that. Thank you. If you guys love this look as much as I had fun creating this look, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and comment down below on your thoughts on this video, what you want to see next during this whole video list, 25 days of videos. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already subscribed. Go ahead and push the notification bell down below so you can be notified when this whole video miss, and, you know, for videos after that. And I will see you guys in my next